Hello all of you guys, in this video we will examine two species of animals. One's a wolf, the other's a Turkish kangal. We will study all the characteristics of these animals. By comparing the wolf and the Turkish kangal, we will decide which one will be stronger. Let's go to the video. The fur of wolves has many colors. These colors have many colors in black, gray, yellow, white. Colors vary depending on the region and breed in which the wolf lives. Their fur adapts according to the territory in which they live. Wolves are taller than dogs. The average length of wolves is 105 centimeters. Ground heights, that is shoulder measurements, average 80 centimeters. Their bodies are thinner than dogs. That way they'll be lighter. Thus, it is fast and agile and catches its prey. Their average weight is between 20–30 kilograms. Wolves usually roam in packs, but this wolf probably landed alone in search of food for his cubs. Wolves are very good at hiding. He also comes to his prey hiding next to it and suddenly jumps and catches his prey. When a wolf sees a large prey, he informs his flock. Because he can't afford hunting, there's even a risk of dying. The rest of the pack's wolves are coming, and they're circling the hunt, because they don't want the hunt to escape. The jaw pressure of wolves is 750 kilos. That's why they can easily break up their prey. It's the jaw pressures that make wolves invincible. Wolves are powerful animals, but they never use their power against their wives. Wolves live as a family, and the male wolf has to protect the family. The fur of kangal dogs can be white or black. Their plumage is short. The structure of their feathers is quite frequent and hard, and their length is medium and short in length. Although both legs are quite strong, their hind legs are slightly weaker than their front legs. Male kangal dogs weigh bet. The other thing that makes Siva's kangal dogs stand out apart from their physical differences is their character. Kangal dogs are not a playful dog. They are usually calm. They do not bark unless they see any threat or are provoked. Along with the ability to observe, the sense of smell is also highly. The purpose of kangal dogs is to protect the flock of sheep from any danger. At the beginning of these dangers comes the wolf. Hunting sheep is an easy task for the wolf, but if he has a kangal dog in front of him, it may not be so easy. Although kangal dogs are not very successful in swimming, they do not hesitate to lie on water in hot weather. Kangal dogs do not leave the flock of sheep and do not stand still. They are constantly on the lookout for danger. This situation is the same at night. If they sense danger, they will never sleep or stop during the night. Kangal dogs run at an average speed of 48 kilometers per hour. This speed is more than enough for kangal dogs. Kangal dogs have large heads. Their jaws are also extremely powerful. In this way, they can easily smash their opponents and everything that is dangerous. Kangals, whose jaws are 736 size strong. The leader of the guard dogs with jaw pressure ranging from 500 to 736 size, are shown as the protection D. Kangal dogs do not fight among themselves. They are sensitive about the family. They fearlessly overcome everything. Kangal dogs do not fight among themselves. They are sensitive about the family. They fearlessly overcome everything. Kangal dogs smell very well. They smell the danger from far away. Kangal do themselves. The teeth of Kangal dogs are very pointed and very sharp. They have teeth that can easily break down a flesh. Kangal dogs can be a very wild animal when they get angry. If you see a frustrated Kangal dog, walk away immediately. If you like our video, don't forget to like it first and then subscribe.
Put your left behind, put your left behind.